the approach on how to get innovation into a company, especially into the factory, is a very crucial one. In the innovation management, we developed an approach which also takes care of the people, because without the people, without change management, if you want to call it like that, there's can you really do. And again, this is also kind of a long process. Our main goal was to change the culture a little bit, to have an open-minded, to have open-minded colleagues. We did this with including external partners, outside in. We needed to acknowledge that we are not the best in everything. There are other partners, other companies that are much better in than we are in certain topics. And especially working with startups was a game changer, I think, for many of our colleagues. They have different approaches, different methods, and of course, also a different speed than we as a big company have it. So what I did is I looked for the pain points in the production. I asked my colleagues, what is your pain point? What is your problem? I identified a technology or startup who was able to solve this problem, and then very quickly built a prototype. So we had a very fast spinning agile process in which we were able to generate a functional prototype, which then allowed us to measure the value of this project, at least to get an idea. And with this idea, then we were able to start and roll out. And this was the same for AI. So we start from the pain point, but we also had a vision for the factory, how it should look like in 5 years. Together with these, from top down and bottom up view, we were then able to define topics per year. So every year at the beginning of the year, we had a strategy workshop where we defined several, so we had 10 main technology focuses, for instance, cybersecurity, AI, horizontal and vertical connection, autonomous robotics, and so on. And for each of those 10 technologies, we then defined to-dos or projects that we want to achieve in that specific year.